Queens Life Beauties. I'm back with another video, and on today I'm going to be styling my brother's locks. First I'm starting out with a taper and a crisp lineup. Then I'm going to take him to the shampoo bowl, get his locks all nice and clean, and then I'm going to go ahead and do some styling so you guys continue to watch to see the finished look. Enjoy. I'd like to point out that these locks on the side that I created for him a few months back are really taken off, and I'm just pointing that out to let you know if you're doing a girl out stage or you've had an undercut or something like that, you don't necessarily have to go the lock extension route. You can just start your locks and let them form, and they will get longer in a short amount of time. I finished the remainder of the hairstyle off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on today. And to anyone that's lost a loved one in recent, I want to send out condolences to you and your family. I'd like to take a moment of silence for Miss Latanya Gunter. Rest in peace.